You're thinking about Odoo, so you do the obvious thing. You Google pricing, and you land here. $24.90 a month? That's a steal for a full ERP. But you see that tiny little asterisk in the corner? There's more to that than Odoo is going to spell out for you. That's not to say Odoo isn't an amazing value, because it is. But let me build out a more realistic number for you. And just to keep this simple, we're going to make this example just for the first year for 10 users. So let's start at the very bottom, the lowest cost you could possibly get Odoo for. And yes, we are excluding Odoo Community from this evaluation. This is just Odoo Enterprise. You probably noticed this number right here, $0 for one app for forever. That's a pretty amazing deal, right? One app with unlimited users. And there are genuinely some companies that can get away with that. I would say there are very few of those because it really limits what you can do inside of Odoo. You can't customize anything. You can't have any other apps. You can't connect Odoo into any other services. But let's start at the bottom there because there are some companies that can make it work. Now, the next step up is going to be this $24.90 standard. That's only with Odoo Online. You can't install any third-party apps. And this is obviously with us paying upfront for a year. If we switch that to monthly, it jumps up just a little bit more. Again, there are some companies that can live in this space, but I would say there are very few of them. You're stuck with Odoo Base, and that's a decent system, but in the end, you'll likely customize at least something. Which brings us to our next step up, which is really, if we're honest, full Odoo. This is where most companies land. Is this $49 per user at a yearly cost or $61.10 per user? I don't have exact numbers on this, but I would say that 99% of the people that use Odoo, at least Odoo Enterprise, end up right in this space. So we've only covered user licenses, and we're already at almost $7,500 a year. Before you totally give up on Odoo, we need to remember that this is less than half the price of SAP and NetSuite in most situations. And you have all the time and energy you'll save, plus the apps and softwares that you'll replace with Odoo. And I don't blame you for being a bit shocked if you are. That's totally understandable. In my next video, I am going to talk about how you can reduce this cost, and you'll be surprised how much lower you can get this. With that in mind, let's keep running through this breakdown. Once we've accounted for our per user license fees, which are what these represent here, we do need to talk about hosting. Now, if you go in Odoo Online, you don't pay for hosting. That's just part of the package here. But if you want to be able to develop more in depth, or you want to be able to take advantage of Odoo's third-party apps, which really extend the functionality, you're going to need Odoo SH, or self-hosted. In my experience, for a company this size, Odoo SH is generally going to be another $100 a month. You could go self-hosted and try and save a bit of money here, but unless your company has a lot of technical background, or technical resources, I should say, you probably want to stick with Odoo SH. It's much easier for a lot of people. One last ongoing cost is the support related to managing this system. Okay, so Odoo themselves do provide support as part of your licensing fees, but you're going to have to make sure that if you have any custom code or anything else like that, that you can either support it internally or you accept Odoo's line of code charge. For most companies, that's going to look like anything between another $100 a month to maybe $300. I mean, it can go much higher than that, but that's what we're going to put in for our estimate here. Okay, so now we're done with the ongoing costs, at least the monthly ones. But what about getting set up, getting moved over, and updates? What do we have there? Let's start with the big one, implementation. That's moving all your stuff over into Odoo and getting it set up the way you like it. For a company this size, depending on your complexity, you could be anywhere between 10,000 to 40, 50, and north of that. Now that may seem like a lot of money, and you may be thinking, I could probably do a lot of this myself, and my channel is called Odoo It Yourself, so I do believe you could do that, but I'm still going to stick this in at the average of 30,000 because Odoo is not plug and play. You're going to need some help. And just to be clear, this includes training, moving your data over, getting the system set up for you. All those things roll into implementation. Now, there's one last thing we need to talk about, and it's not a year one cost, but I'm still going to throw it into the total here because it is going to come along before you know it. Upgrades inside of any ERP can be costly, and for a company this size, you're probably looking at about $10,000 every 2 to 3 years for this. So let's look at the total here, a number that started all the way down at 0. We're almost at 50,000. Now, I've baked in some numbers here that aren't year one, but they needed to be brought up. I don't want to leave you terrified of that number and questioning why you would ever consider moving to an ERP in the first place. So let's be clear. None of this means Odoo is too expensive or a bad value. For what it does, it's often the best value in the entire ERP market. And almost every cost I just showed you is controllable. The businesses that succeed with Odoo aren't the ones who found the cheapest price. They're the ones who saw all of these costs coming and planned for them. The ones who struggle are the ones who budgeted off line one. So the honest answer to how much does Odoo cost is this. It depends, and the costs that vary the most are exactly the ones that pricing page won't show you. If you want to know which of these actually apply to your business, I have a free tool to do just that. It's just an estimate, of course, but it will help give you a rough idea of where your real costs are and what your number probably looks like. The link is right at the top of the description. And if you're not sure what your next step should be, there's an option to talk to me for free, and I'll help you get sorted. The obvious next question is how to make it cost less. And there's a lot you can control. That's the video coming out next week. Go ahead and check it out.